In this video, I will show you how to add and expand or collapse fact section and hosting your website builder. To get started, go ahead and look for a resource code that you can use to create this expandable and minimizable tabs. Now go ahead and head over into your hosting account. Once you have found your resource code, head over into the websites tab and click on websites list. Now under the websites list, you'll be able to find the websites connected to your hosting account. So what you'll need to do is to go ahead and open that specific website where you actually want to add that expandable fact section to. So to open that, you'll need to click on that edit website button beside that. And once you click on that edit website button, you'll be redirected into your hosting website. Now on your hosting website, you'll need to actually head over into the section where you want to add that. So you can simply select a section where you want to add that. Click on that add section button, and from here click on add blank section since we want to create this from scratch. Now you'll need to click on that add element button at the left side of your screen, scroll down and drag the embed code tool into that section where you want to add the fact section. Now in here you'll need to click on that enter code button, remove this existing code and head over into the website where you have your resource code from. Copy all of the code from top to bottom and head back into your hosting account. So you'll need to head back here, place the code in this section and click on that embed code button at the bottom right. And as you can see, you'll be able to immediately find the expandable or collapsible fact section for your website. So you'll need to click on that update website button at the top right of your screen to update these changes into your actual website. And that is how you can simply expand or collapse fact section into your hosting your website builder. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos.